Hey, we're going to take a moment today to review the 7123 Legacy Bottom Sweep. You can buy it on Amazon. It's an automatic sweep that will seal your commercial hollow metal door. And you're going to need an assortment of tools in order to accomplish this. You're going to need a drill, square, screwdriver, assortment of drill bits, a driver, and a hacksaw, of course. You're going to need that. So get your measurements. It's going to say to cut it 1/8 of an inch short of the opening between stop to stop, but you're really going to want to do 1/4 of an inch and then put your end caps on. Now we found out that we also needed to cut the inner part of the sweep 1/8 of an inch short. Put your end caps back on in order to finish that up. Now you can also adjust your sweep by using a 7/16 socket, or it could have been 3/8. I don't remember exactly, but you can adjust that bottom sweep up or down with the socket. I believe that's a 3/8. Then just screw it to the door. There are directions as to how high up in order to put that. So just follow those directions and that'll be close. But the biggest thing is make sure you cut it 1/4 of an inch short, not 1/8 of an inch short, and then also cut that inner section of the sweep down as well. So this is Bruce from Buckeye Door Sales. Appreciate you listening to the review.